I'm fucking destroyed. I've got to get my head together. Radiators out. It's that time of year. Yes, winter's on its way, and today's the day we're going to start on this intercooler. So yeah, I'm going to strip the front bumper off. It's not a how-to, but obviously I'm going to tell you what I'm doing as I'm going along. But yeah, it needs to be done because I just want to get this sort of completed. Also got new wheels as well to go on here, so just get that done, and then I can do stuff for the EP3, can't I? So here we go. Let's have a bash in. Well, that was easier than I thought. So the bumper's off. And to be honest, it wasn't that bad. Pretty simple. So you want to take a fk2 front bumper removal. So along there, you just take those front load of clips out. You know, the pop ones in. Drop them on the sides then. There's a couple of screws. There, and there, which on the inside of the arch liner. Took those out. There's two 10mm on the top then. There and there. Took them out. And then basically sort of push this down on the inside. Got my hand up behind there. Just pop this side out like that. Done the same on the other side. And then just gave it a wiggle and it come off, and obviously just unplug. You go and plug the fogs that side and that and this side, and mate, it was simple. Anyone could do that. So here we go. One job done. Oh my days. So the easiest part was taking the bumper off. So yeah, basically took the under tray off, the whole thing, just take it off. I was going to do an oil change anyway, so I've taken it all off. The intercooler's off. Look at the size of that thing. Tiny compared to that. So this is where we're at. Now I need to get that radiator off because I want to change the clip down there on that bottom one, because they're known to rust and just fail. So pull that and do that, and then figure out where all these big boost pipes go. But fucking man, that fucking fucked me up. I did, taking a tray off. Yeah, thought it was easy. Never mind. Fucked. Don't know what day it is. I am balls deep in now. Jesus Christ. So there's issues with the bottom radiator hose clip corroding on these and like failing. So I thought while it's off, we got to get it out. So here it is. That's the clip, corroded, but yeah, dropped the coolant. So what I did, I just dropped the coolant under the drain plug, undone that one off there, take the Venturi apart, pulled it, gave me some leverage, managed to get the clip off from underneath, and yeah, balls deep now. I just hope I remember how to put it all back together, like, because there's just shit everywhere, man. Pipes under there, over there. I just had a look at the intercooler kit. I have no idea where that goes on, so to find some instructions for that. But fucking hell, yeah, had to be done. So yeah, I'm happy, well happy, but fucking shit faced, I'm not lying. Well, anyway, yeah, it's early on a Sunday morning. I can't even speak. Yeah, the clocks went back over here in the UK last night. Yeah, I was up from 3 o'clock and total insomniac. So we're out here early and we're going to get this done. So I don't know where we are. It's a week later, so I don't know where we are. But today I got to try and work all this out. So I have no idea where any of them go. I know we got to relocate the horn and stuff, but the fitting instructions for this are pretty poor, to be honest. I'll see if I can get it up on screen now, but yeah, it's poor. So I'm just going to basically wing it and see where we are with it. But I want this on today, so although I feel 100%, you know, top of the world and all that, fucking let's crack on. So before, well I'm thinking, before you hang it up there, I noticed you've got to make these brackets up. I just, like I said, I'm winging it, so I have no idea. And then fit them on there, and then they drop in those rubber bits there then. So I hung it, and then I had no chance of getting them in there. Like, they don't line up straight either, so, but yeah, that's the first little thing to overcome. So it's back off again. We tried fitting this pipe which goes up onto the turbo or whatever, and I can't get it on, so it's come back off. We're going to try and fit it. Obviously it's got to go like that there, and then squeeze it through there somehow. Fucking testing me already, this is. I'm fucking destroyed. I've got to get my head together. That was the worst thing ever. That little pipe, man, the fucking intercooler's been off, on. Trying to get the fucking hoses onto that little bend. Fucking hell. I'm on another planet. I'll take an hammer to it, I swear. Fucking Jubilee clip it come with. I just couldn't get it on. I couldn't get it done up. I'll take one off. A coupler. Bigger one to put on there. Fuck, I never want to do this again. Fucking hell, I just feel like calling it a day. Look at me, I'm fucking suicidal. Man, fucking hell. Gonna have a cup of tea. Oh, fucking, I don't even know if they've gone on like proper solid as well. Fucking hell. Get someone else to do it, trust me. Fuck, that's him done. It's 12 o'clock midday and I'm done. I'm not doing it anymore. Fucking what a shit job. Look at the state of the place. Fucking hell. So, the Jubilee clips are shit. They don't go over the pipes or nothing. I left with that and all these little bits and bobs. I've torn everything apart. Battery out. So, oh man. So that's all in down there. And around there, but this first side over here going in by there, that's a full-blown nightmare. That I can't get a Jubilee clip on it, and the pipe is only just on, so I have to buy some new Jubilee clip, a bigger one, try and get it on there. But yeah, finished for the day. I'll fucking give in. It's not like me, but I'll fucking end up smashing the shit out of it if I carry on. Fucking fuming. Anyway, till next time. Stop. That's what they say, don't they? Stop. Gather your thoughts a bit, like take 5 minutes, take a time out. Well, I've taken a week out, and only because I pulled my back crawling into this car on a cold floor. But yeah, took some time out, gathered my thoughts, and used all the parts. So yeah, those bits I said I'd laying over, they're on there. So they go in there. I just thought they gotta be like, and then yes, 2 and 2 in it. But when you're just stressed out, man, when I smash the thing up, you just can't think straight. But it's done. It's all on there. Thank God. Yeah, if you're confident in working on cars and you like cars stressing you the fuck out, then have a go at it, because it's pretty fucking good, like, you know. I enjoyed every single minute of it. But all that's left to do now is trim that around there, take that piece off there to fit that underneath, and put it all back together, man. So yeah, that's it. That's the video done. Next job now. While it's up, I'm going to chuck some oil in it, genuine Honda oil, and then we're going to take that grill off there, paint that black, and hopefully we'll get the new rims on. But that's going to be in the next one, isn't it? Christmas time, I should imagine. But anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll catch you over Crimbo. Oi oi!